Shopify Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to this review of the Shopify Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator. Links to the recommended tools and resources are in the description, so feel free to check those out after the video. Let's jump straight into the key points. The Shopify Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator is a solution designed to help Shopify store owners connect with multiple marketplaces, such as Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and more. It's perfect for entrepreneurs who want to expand their reach by selling across various platforms while managing everything from a centralized Shopify dashboard. This integrator bridges the gap between Shopify and marketplaces, automating tasks like product syncing, inventory management, and order processing. Here's a breakdown of its features, strengths, and weaknesses. Features 1. Multi-channel listing. Easily list your Shopify products on marketplaces like Amazon, Walmart, or Etsy with bulk upload options to save time. 2. Real-time inventory syncing. Stock levels are updated automatically across all platforms, ensuring no overselling or out-of-stock errors. 3. Order synchronization. Orders from marketplaces are imported directly into Shopify for centralized fulfillment. 4. Pricing automation. Customize pricing rules for different marketplaces, including setting competitive prices or adding marketplace-specific fees. 5. Analytics and reporting. Detailed insights on sales, marketplace performance, and inventory status to optimize your strategy. Strength centralized management. You can handle multiple marketplaces from your Shopify dashboard, reducing complexity. Automation. Saves time with real-time syncing of products, inventory, and orders across platforms. Market expansion. It allows you to tap into larger customer bases by listing your products on high-traffic marketplaces. Scalability. Perfect for businesses looking to scale by increasing their sales channels without significantly increasing workload. Weaknesses. Setup complexity. Initial setup can be time-consuming, especially when configuring listings and integrations for multiple marketplaces. Fees and commissions. Some marketplaces charge listing or transaction fees, which can affect your profit margins. Learning curve. Managing marketplace-specific policies and optimization strategies can take time. In conclusion, the Shopify Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator is an excellent tool for scaling your e-commerce business by reaching customers across multiple marketplaces. It's best suited for store owners ready to manage multi-channel sales while addressing the complexities of setup and fees. With proper use, it can significantly increase your sales potential and simplify operations.